Hello dear traders, today is the 27th of June, Thursday. I'm here with another market overview for InstaForex. The trading idea for the euro-dollar pair has been worked out. Those who followed it have benefited. However, I have some fresh trading ideas which I will discuss using the charts. Before that, let us focus on the macroeconomic events. Today, the United States will issue its GDP and unemployment claims data. Now we can start our analysis of the market situation. Gold prices started rising. However, this could just be a correction before a decline. At present, there are no swings that we can use to enter the market. Currently, the euro-dollar pair attracts traders more than other assets. Traders earned money from a swing low near 1.0741. During the Asian session, the euro tested the swing low slightly below 1.0688. Those who bought together with us made a profit. While falling, the euro left a lot of areas that were not broken. The nearest area is at about 1.0750. The instrument may also reach extreme levels. The main target where traders should lock profits is at 1.09. In other words, there is an opportunity to go long. The situation with the pound sterling is almost the same. The pair has also tested a swing low today. The trading instrument has room to rise. It has failed to break the extreme level of 1.2890. If you open long positions even from the current levels, you may earn 2,600 pips. The Australian dollar is also climbing and has room to rise. The main targets are located at the high recorded in May and August 2023, which is around 0.69. The dollar-yen pair has reached new highs. Although the Bank of Japan promised to take some measures, it has not done anything yet. I suppose that the regulator will intervene in the market, but it is hard to predict when it will go do this. That's all I wanted to tell you today. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.